The head of the World Health Organization has warned that the COVID-19 pandemic is worsening globally and things won't turn to the old normal for some time. At a press briefing yesterday, TEDROS ADHANOM GHEBREYESUS said that there will be no return to the old normal for the foreseeable future. TEDROS said that while numerous countries, especially in Europe and Asia, have brought outbreaks under control, too many others are seeing virus trends move in the wrong direction. Without naming specific politicians, TEDROS ADHANOM GHEBREYESUS also rebuked political leaders for their mixed messages amid the coronavirus outbreaks, according to reports. Meanwhile, 2 WHO experts were in China for a mission to trace the origin of the pandemic. Deaths from the virus have been rising in the United States, especially in the South and West, though they are still well below the numbers reached in April, according to a recent data from Johns Hopkins University, the media report said.